Did you want to be a part of the video? Is that why you're talking? Good boy. Good boy. Okay. So, fantastic news today. Today is Saturday, January 16th. But these are the jalapenos that I scraped from store-bought jalapenos. Dried them out for a couple days, and holy crap, they're growing. Not only are they growing, but like multiple seeds are growing. How crazy is that? Today I just planted yellow sweet peppers into these, so we'll see how those go. Today is January 18th. Getting little seedlings right there. So the first three that I noticed are popping up are the yellow Scotch bonnets. These right here are the yellow Scotch bonnets. And then that one is, we're seeing a PCR is a peach cream reaper. That's a peach cream reaper right here. It's a peach cream reaper. And the one next to it is another peach cream reaper. So those two peach cream reapers right there that you can see are starting to sprout. Today is January 19th. The jalapenos are doing good. They're actually doing, check that out. There's like an offshoot of the main shoot. Yeah, that one's doing the best right there. And then these over here, these are a lot of the reapers. They're coming up really nicely. Look at that one. This guy was not here this morning.